Grief tells the cruelest lie that no one could ever understand what you're carrying. But across cultures, continents, and faiths, millions of people have sat in this same ache, and science confirms what our ancestors already knew. The nervous system heals in connection. When we speak, pray, write, or sit with others, the brain registers safety. Stress hormones lower. Healing becomes possible. Support can look many ways. Local crisis lines, international helplines, faith communities, peer circles, or quiet online spaces. Grief is personal. Your healing circle should be too. There is no right way. Only what feels safe for you. Whether through ritual, breathwork, shared silence, or simply being witnessed, healing deepens when it's held. You are part of a living web, a chorus of souls learning how to love, lose, and begin again. Beloved, your voice belongs in it. It's tempting to isolate ourselves when we're hurting, but reaching out is one of the most powerful things we can do. Think about it. When a child falls, they run to a caregiver. We are wired for co-regulation, for finding calm in the presence of another safe nervous system. This doesn't disappear in adulthood. Finding a grief support group, either in your local community or online, can feel like coming home. You'll find people who just get it without you having to explain everything. They understand the messy, non-linear reality of loss. You might share stories. You might just listen. Both are incredibly healing. The simple act of being witnessed by someone who understands can lift a tremendous weight. Another powerful resource is therapy, especially with someone who specializes in grief and loss. A good therapist provides a confidential, non-judgmental space to explore all the complicated feelings that come with grief: anger, guilt, relief, confusion. They can offer tools and strategies to help you navigate anniversaries, holidays, and the daily triggers that can feel so overwhelming. It's a space dedicated entirely to your healing journey. They help you make sense of your story and integrate this loss into your life in a way that allows you to move forward, not move on. Remember, moving forward isn't about forgetting. It's about learning to carry the love for who you've lost in a new way. Don't underestimate the power of your own rituals and creative outlets. Journaling can be a private conversation with your grief, a place to pour out everything you can't say out loud. Some people find comfort in creating a memory box, planting a tree, or visiting a special place. Others turn to art, music, or movement to express what words cannot. There is no hierarchy of healing. Writing a letter to the person you lost, or even to your future self, can be profoundly therapeutic. These practices help externalize the pain and create a tangible connection to your memories and your own resilience. They are acts of love for yourself and for the one you're missing. The most important thing to remember is that you are not broken. Grief is a natural response to love. It's the honor we pay to what we have lost. Be gentle with yourself. If you're struggling to cope, please know that help is available and you are worthy of it. We've included a link to a global resource guide in the description below. It includes crisis lines, support networks, and information to help you find what you need. Please, reach out. You matter, and your story matters. Thanks for being here with us today. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others. See you at the next.